For starting valve clearance adjustment, you want to make sure that your gears are in the proper position. In the case of the first cylinder, our cam gears up is towards the ceiling, and our crankshaft's timing mark should be lined up as well. We have our feeler gauge with our two different numbers that we need. First thing we're going to do is we're going to unlock the lock nuts, always using the boxed end whenever possible of the wrench. Our exhaust side is going to be 12 thousandths of an inch, with our intake side being 10 thousandths of an inch. So I'm going to slide my feeler gauge in there while tightening, feeling for just a little bit of drag. Once I get a little bit of drag on both of them, I will tighten down the nuts and recheck. I'm going to go back to my first one here. Hold and tighten. Doesn't have to be a lot. There is a torque spec, but just a snug should be good with a little bit of traction. Go back to the second one and do the same thing. Now we're going to move on to the exhaust side, where we have 12 thousandths on this particular engine. Snug it down. Check. Move on to the other side. And check. After cylinder 1 is done, we're going to rotate to do cylinder number 3. Make sure that you always spin the crankshaft in the same direction as the engine rotates, and then you would perform the same service on that cylinder.